Magandang araw. Dito naman tayo sa operations on functions. So, tingnan natin. So, let f and g be functions of the variable x. Meron tayong apat dyan. So, una muna is the sum function. Yung sum function, so, alam nyo naman na sum. So, plus tayo doon. So, sum function f plus g is the function defined by, so meron tayo dito, f plus g of x is the same as f of x plus g of x. So, lipat tayo dito. So, difference function. So, ganun lang din. F minus g of x is the same as f of x minus g of x. So, product function. So, f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. Tapos, sa quotient function, f over g of x is the same as f of x over g of x. G of x is not equal to 0. So, example na tayo. So, given f of x equals 2x minus 1 and g of x equals x squared plus x minus 2. So, tingnan nyo dito. F plus g of x. Simple lang yan. So, ang gagawin nyo, dahil f plus g of x, itong f of x at saka yung g of x, i-add nyo lang yan. So, paano nangyari doon? So, ito, 2x minus 1, copy lang. And then, dahil f plus g, lagyan nyo ng plus dito. Tapos, yung x squared plus x minus 2. Nilagyan ko muna ng parenthesis para ma-identify natin na ito yung f of x at ito yung g of x. Tapos, naka-plus siya. Then, after that, and dahil plus naman to, tanggalin nyo na lang yung parenthesis. Tapos, simplify. So, 2x minus 1 plus x minus 2. X squared lang siya. Siyang similar term. And then, 2x and x, we have 3x. Tapos, negative 1 and negative 2 is negative 3. Next tayo. So, find f minus g of x. So, ganun lang din. Tingnan nyo. 2x minus 1, copy. So, naka-parenthesis lang siya. And then, minus x squared plus x minus 2. Ang kaibahan lang dito, so 2x minus 1, copy lang. Itong negative sign na to, dinistribute dito sa tatlo. So, negative times x squared, negative x squared. Negative times x, negative x. Negative times negative 2, we have positive 2. And then, simplify. So, negative x squared, ito yan. Tapos, 2x and negative x, pag pinagsama, positive x na lang yan. Negative 1 and positive 2, we have positive 1. Sunod, f times g of x. 2x minus 1, ito pa rin. As dito, wala ng plus or minus. Automatic yan. Kapag ganyan, nakamultiply na yan. So, x squared plus x minus 2. So, simple lang. 2x times x squared. Ito, 2x cubed. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 2, negative 4x. Tapos, negative 1 times x squared, negative x squared. Negative 1 times x, negative x. Tapos, negative 1 times negative 2, we have positive 2. Simplify. 2x cubed and tapos 2x squared tsaka negative x squared, magiging x squared na lang. Tapos negative 4x saka negative x, negative 5x, tapos plus 2. Dito tayo, f over g of x. So, nasa numerator yung f. So, yung 2x minus 1 nasa taas. And then over x squared plus x minus 2. So, ganyan lang po yan. Another given, x plus 1 and x squared minus x minus 2. So, f of x, ito, g of x. So, f plus g of x. So, ganun lang din ulit. X plus 1, copy lang. Tapos, plus x squared minus x minus 2. Tapos, tanggal ng parenthesis. X plus 1 plus x squared minus x minus 2. So, x squared, x tsaka negative x, 0 na yan. 1 and negative 2, we have negative 1. Sunod, f minus g of x. So, x plus 1, copy lang. So, minus x squared minus x minus 2. X plus 1, distribute tong negative sign. So, negative x squared, negative times negative x, positive x. Negative times negative 2, positive 2. Negative x squared, copy lang. X and x, 2x, positive 1 and positive 2, we have positive 3. Sunod, f times g of x. X plus 1. Ayan. Times x squared minus x minus 2. So, x times x squared, x cubed. X times negative x squared. X times negative 2, negative 2x. Positive 1 times x squared, positive x squared. Positive 1 times negative x, negative x. So, 1 times negative 2, negative 2. Ganun lang simple. X cubed. Ayan. Tapos negative x squared tsaka positive x squared, 0 na yan. So, negative 2x and negative x is negative 3x. Tapos copy lang yung negative 2. Sunod, f over g of x. So, sa ibaba ulit yung x plus 1 and then x squared minus x minus 2. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pinactor ko tong ilalim. Yung x squared minus x minus 2, naging x plus 1 times x minus 2. Factor po yan. Tapos, may x plus 1 sa ibabaw, may x plus 1 sa ilalim. Pwede natin i-cancel yan. Ano mangyayari? Mawawala na to, mawawala na din to. Tapos may maiiwang 1. Tapos over x minus 2 na lang sa ilalim. Remind ko lang kayo, itong 1 na to, hindi galing dito sa plus 1 na yan. Hindi yan. Automatic kasi pag kinancel mo yan, may maiiwang 1 dyan sa taas. So 1 over, ang naiwan sa ilalim, x minus 2. Next tayo, 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. So f plus g of x, ayan, 2x plus 3 and plus x minus 1. Tapos tanggal ng parenthesis, simplify. 2x tsaka x, 3x. Positive 3 and negative 1, we have positive 2. F minus g of x. So 2x plus 3 minus and then x minus 1. Copy yung 2x plus 3, negative times x, negative times negative 1. Ito, positive 1. So 2x and negative x is x. 3 and 1, so ayan, 4. Multiply na tayo. F times g of x. So 2x plus 3, and then close lang ng parenthesis, and then times x minus 1. So 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 1, negative 2x. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Tapos 2x squared, ayan, negative 2x, tsaka 3x is x, and then minus 3. Last, f over g of x. Ayan, 2x plus 3 over x minus 1. Meron pa ba akong pwedeng gawin dito? Wala na. Okay na yan. Hanggang dyan na lang yan. Okay po, maliwanag.